Hello guys. So this is part of the module of our fundamentals of accounting 2. So the first module is for the FAM 2 is preparing of statement of financial position. But for this video, we will be discussing first on how to prepare the SCI kasi kasama yung net income sa pag-prepare sa SFP. Okay? So these are the steps on how to prepare the SCI. The first one is prepare the statement heading, which is this one. So our heading is Dr. Abril Recto. That is the name of the owner or the name of the entity, the type of the statement you are preparing, and the period covered. Take note, we will be using here, class, this one, okay, for the period ended. Okay, kasi kino-close natin yan at the end of accounting period. So we will be using for the period or for the month or for the year ended. Okay? And then the second step is determine the total revenue from the trial balance. So this is our illustrative problem. Okay? So this is our illustrative problem. This is an example of our adjusted trial balance. So, ibig sabihin, pag sinabi natin adjusted trial balance, nagkaroon na siya ng adjustments, nasama na dyan. Okay, from here, as you can see here, the total professional fees is 800,870. So, this one is 800,870. And of course, you will list down all the operating expenses. You have the salaries, rent, telephone, utilities, and repairs. Okay? So, ilalagay lang natin sila. Galing dito sa adjusted trial balance. So, these are the expenses. As you can see here, the total for that is, okay, is 204,403. So we will add all of this one, class, to get this amount. So after that, you will deduct 800,870 from total expenses, which is 204,403. So you will arrive at 596,467. Take note, to determine, okay, if the result is a positive, okay, that will be a net income. So, as you can see here, mas mataas si professional fees compare with the expenses. So, mas malaki, okay. So, ibig sabihin, meron tayong net income kasi there is a positive result. So, that is on how to prepare the SCI, okay, for the service business. Kasi, mapapansin nyo, class, this is professional fees, okay? Wala tayong income, okay? So, I hope you understand our discussion. Thank you.